Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna take you on the journey to get ready with me while I get ready for my wedding anniversary dinner. I'm wearing something black and white with a little bit of pink in it. I'm preparing my skin with Embryoless cream and hyaluronic acid from a company called Ordinary. This is one of the best products I've ever used. It's really helped with my puffy eyes and my blemishes on my skin. Here I'm using my MAC Foundation's NC25. I can get away with NC20, but I like to keep it a little bit dark. I'm covering all my eyelid with this color and underneath as well. I don't use concealer on my eyes as it tends to give me a lot of lines and it falls in the creases, which I don't like. Foundation keeps it nice and natural. I'm going to use my trusted beauty blender because I really like this stuff. Once I spread all the color on my eyelid, I'm going to use a color from Huda Beauty kit, which is called Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette. The color I'm using is called Sandalwood. Now I'm going to draw a line little bit above my crease because I've got seriously hooded eyes and I have to fake the eyelid is a little bit up than on its real position. So this is going to be my transition color. This is Sandalwood. I would put a little bit in V shape and then blend it inwards towards my eye, towards the inner corner of my eye. I'll keep blending it until I get it really nice and blended and I'm happy with the effect. On my main eyelid, I'm going to use a black color which is called Black Truffle from the same kit. And I'm going to use a gold shimmer on it. This gold shimmer is from company MAC and it's called Gold Reflect, or Reflect Gold actually is called. This doesn't give you a silver effect. It gives you it's a metallic gold effect, which is really, really nice. I'm going to use Kiko Milano black eyeliner with my favorite eyeliner brush. For my base, I'm going to use MAC NC25 all over my face. I'll keep blending it until I get the real effect. I'm going to clean all the fallouts on my underneath my eyes before I cover my under eye circles, under eye. Once I'm happy with that, I will continue with my base. I've got a foundation brush to use it. I will spread it all over my skin and then I would blend it with my beauty blender. On my skin, I like to do underpainting. I'll put my cream contour and cream blusher before I set my base. So on the foundation, my cream contour will go on and the cream blusher, and if I need to top up, I'll top it up with the powder blush. So I'll continue blending my base and then I'll set it up with the MAC face powder. The shade is natural dark or medium dark. It's really good product. It mattify the effect because I get my skin is oily and I get too much shine on my face. Once I've done that, I might top up a little bit with my contour and my blusher because they seems to be disappeared at this point. For the lipstick, I used Huda Beauty Demi Matte lipstick. It's very bright pink. I forgot the name of the shade, but I will put it in the description below. Most of the products I've used today are MAC and some big brands, but you can achieve the same look from any makeup. It's not in the brand, it's in the technique. I would add all the links in the description of the video on my YouTube channel. If you want to buy anything, you can buy it direct from those links. you like today's video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are watching it on TikTok, please like and share. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.